a good time, say, oh yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the greatest show on earth. We got some of the most amazing dancers from around the world tonight.
Hakasi palai jangkatayo Menteri Kesorkar ubah kami Katanat Community and Rural Development CNRD ubah sosteni sotun ulapan bena Paidbah balapli yaki lai Tylli ki Arisel Spinning Center Haribhoi District dak jing temu ban kentiu yaka kam Thanjan bat ban kentiu ru yakalat yok kam yok jam.
Banang kentiu syuk-syuk ka kam Thanjan yaka distrik Ribhoi bat ban penlong ka kum kawe ni kilat ai kam ai jam yaki babun. Harga kalai terik unai wiang arajar arpusan Menteri Ketanat CNRD ubah sosteni sotun ulapin benapat bak belapli yaki laipau Tylli ki Eri Silk Spinning Center bapen biang ru daki mesin mentiriksai harga distrik Ribhoi. Ya kini kejing penmena naga bentar ke Jingplie Paidbah yaki laipau Tylli ki Eri Silk Spinning Center lapen bena lembah ke Jingplie ya kawe ki Eri Silk Spinning Center kesnong Umkynsier ke bahab opok ke jirang CNRD blok. Hakabala penbit penbiang lengba kibor peniak distrik Ribhoi rengkat kejing trailang bat ke Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society bat kejing kerjaan da ke Indian Oil Corporation Limited lengba ke CSR project. Hagani kesengi kebensakan mau no kebentak Nongthaiñ jo kesnong Umkynsier. Lasa kilang da kejing ranlang Abilash Baranwal u Deputy Commissioner ke distrik Ribhoi Mukesh Ranjan Executive Director ke Indian Oil Corporation Limited u Raja Brahma Project Director Dr. Hajong BDO ke jirang blok kira orang bak katahan kilong kemi nak senong Umkynsier bat kibai-kibai. Habakran nak kena kesengi nak liang ubah tenis sotun kumunong mi kemat ke jirang bat kumu Menteri Ketanat CNRD ulai ke jingiro ya Ketanat Jong Office Deputy Commissioner lembat Ketanat MSRLS bat ke Indian Oil Corporation Limited kibala syimkiaban penurlong ya kena kejing angnut ban kentiu ke kam Thanjan ba kejing penmi syok ya uksai Ryndia lengba kini ki Silk Spinning Center kibat Myntoi kinong syong-syong. Ula kedauru ba ke distrik Ribhoi kini kawain kita nya ke jela kabala penmi shibun ki jan ki bacutan di uksai Ryndia. Bat kejing la ban penmi ya uksai Ryndia kumta lengba kum kini ki skim ni kilat jengerap lengba ki bor sarkar bagi company beper kan pelat balai mensium bat kentiu skadai kinong Thanjan ki emja kepo na kene kakam.
Well, whatever help you are getting, what I feel as a local representative, it will be helping for the women's groups, the farmers, the artisan farmers who will be getting the benefit through these machines. And I was told by a deputy commissioner that the artisan, the worms that we are selling, it's most of are the cocoons, what they call, young Ryndia. We are selling to the other state of Assam. And the price that we are selling, it is at the rate of 700 to 800. So, and the quantity that our area is producing, it is in large quantity compared to other areas. So what I feel as the local representative, we are getting the support from the IOCL, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited. We are getting the support with all these machines, which it will help you increase the income from 700 to 800 per kg. It may increase up to 4,000 or 6,000 according to the quality. So I would like to congratulate first the administration and the IOCL, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, for giving the support to the people, to the Erisil farmers of our district.